Hi guys, it's me Roxy, and in today's video I am playing Bonie Planet, which is the same as Movie Star Planet, where it's the same creators. So right now I'm just going to do a challenge, and I am legit a noob on this game. I'm just gonna do it. Yeah, I've done it. I'm just doing all the time. Sorry that I'm not talking that much. Oh, a hat and 3 hats. So I think I'll just do this last one. So guys, sorry about that. It took a bit of while. So yeah, I am just going to go to my room. And I did get quite a lot of stuff. As you can see, I got some eggs. I got wait one sec. Let me just move this up. There. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hatch the eggs. I have no idea. But it looks so cute. It's so cute. Look how cute it is. Oh, they're both cute, but this one has nice big eyes, and look how cute it is. Aww. Okay guys, so I'm just going to pause it and make it back quick. Okay guys, so now what I'm going to do is, I don't know what I'm going to do, so I don't know why I just said that. I'm just going to leave my room quickly. So guys, I'm going to be speaking to some of you. And if you want to friend me, you can, but I will be doing a video of answering all your friend requests, because I don't normally have time to answer your friend requests, because normally I have school and stuff. And sorry if I don't post a lot, it's because I normally have school. Yeah, so I might not be able to post tomorrow. So what I am gonna do is I'm gonna do bonie race, which I tried doing. So, oh. Okay, so let's stop. Yes, I know what to do. I know what to do. I've done this before. I'm gonna get mixed up with her. I'm legit gonna. Oh! Oh! How? Go down, go down. Oh my gosh, guys, I just lost these again. Don't think anyone's coming on. I'm going to explore. What do you mean? Guys, I have no idea what to do. What? Cool. There's a new item in the shop. Get it now at the special discount. How much is it first? How is that so special? I'll just buy it. I'll just get it in pink. And then I don't know what. The reason why I'm not accepting friend requests yet is because I haven't done the video yet. I've got 8 more minutes of this video. No, I don't know what to I don't. So guys, I have 9 more minutes of the video, so I'm just gonna end it here. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and like and comment video ideas on Bonie Planet or Movie Star Planet, and bye!